Yeah, that's why I was said na Tamakloe'a sense someone I just say. Abaji media no so afa. Na ko media no so abusia. NDC for no kura buofu. Oh, Amaro Shakur, Blakk Rasta, and some of the NDC social media activists just said there be John Mahama NDC or set a very bad precedence. NDC government no. Omu twa saboni bi anato mu tese Ghana na yentimi fight corruption. PM omu abe clash with omu ankasa NDC party. I Penyah block media. Mesra say any demo. Obe like video no other my bro subscribe button stand back the key notification and connect latest update. Number to the wide and mama comment section. Oba so no actually for any biashwe. So it was yesterday under the Accra Court of Appeal Complex. Early judgment by the former Masrock boss. Masrock a microfinance and small loans center. Omo boss Sedina Tamakloe'a Mahama Eman appointment from 2013 throughout to 2016 now or real adwuma na on a Masrock boss. Nesika same of an ensase I said in Kabomwa to the sum of 90 million Ghana cedis. This kind of 900 billion. Omo believe we say says kawin na no. Efa Sedina Tamakloe'a say charges mark 78 and the then at January. Eye Godfred Odame e de hete Sedina Tamakloe'a atieno. Or the hete no e ma na asem e wo court e ma Sedina eji petition e say okohwenu yare e wa manane okoewa maybe e ma she was tried in absentia e ma ebubona. But oba Ghana ha June no 9th June say no that say no akọ PM Court of Appeal e ma enwa and a Court of Appeal in the final ruling by no which they say judgment na her lordship justice Efiasewa aside the botry e de by no we just say there be in April 2024 no just say there be the High Court judge Ed Oyamfunso atemu no say onya but they hwe me because there wasn't any evidence beyond reasonable doubt. She was in a hurry, she rushed to pronounce the judgment. The Court of Appeal overturned the ruling enra. Enipa Sedina Tamakloe'a ye di na asem boni nti ono anim se bebu aboni nti no oka to kohwe no ho yare no wo dwane ya wa mabiem so se na onifa ankobeba 2019 2026 how many years ni 7 years enipa okoye 7 years ni afenu aba Ghana ha no mo se na onyamfunso bia adanada nyina wansi Ghana ha 7 years ni was won si Ghana ye enipa wasem wo court a wo ya we a wakwaje petition say o kwa akọ ho yare obesa aba no onu anim boni a waye ntino wan si Ghana ha no bi for 7 years wa ama na ye di na sem o absentia na oba no abekọ appeal a yes the High Court na otina sem no so no the court heard it ya overturn judgment no na MPP na come make such an appeal can say it will stand. Question me busa put say MPP ni anka ya na ade no ho beche no MPP ni a na anka de no beche no ya bo na say any case against her aden spend o money sika edical extradition in ba Ghana had after wasting resources to extradite her to this country only for the country tell her say you free no then e bo kakofa no ba be ye dey ye bo kakofa no ba be ye dey eno na comedian no so a NDC for ni bianca so say there be omadwa lie omunti ase ade Mahama eye ne de ade this government eye ne de omu say o man konkoro Ghana entuwe ene nsemu a omu ababeka
anka Sedina Tamakloe'a MPP ni ne extradited ne baya ujidi say me Ghana no ye Ghana ujidi say anka Court of Appeal de ne bone beche no
come on fanchen
thirdly mimi so say oye NDC ni ntina onya no fa wodi no
Sedina Tamakloe'a Peace Court say onko o hwe sika odi ye 2013 to 2016 Court of Appeal so onko onwura onwia bibia wa hwenkyere ne say
ye nyina enka no kro nkyere ho Sedina Tamakloe'a edianti na obi oso oni sika no time omra court ni enias oni na asem odwane ko she US
se na so yare ko hwe no yare
secondly oyare sase oyare yes oyare obra na wo court o kra so ko hwe no yare o and say odwane ne na asem ye di yo ye de ne court
no mudi
ye di na wo hwa odwane se wo ko hwe no yare o amabiem court frɛ no amabiem update no odwane ne first question secondly anka Sedina Tamakloe'a MPP ni ne extradited ne baya ujidi say me Ghana no ye Ghana ujidi say anka Court of Appeal de ne bone beche no
come on fanchen
thirdly mimi so say oye NDC ni ntina wonya no fa wodi no
because of NDC na NDC wo power
because NDC wo power because dey ntia mimia na asemi ba ye di ka kra jeli no me tie ne count ni bia say ebu o wa na omu fa sika say bia ka boy 10 cedi a ono nko anu de times 4 ato so enti 10 cedi o say 50 cedi yes jato baby sika on fa nko ase mismanagement fan count mako 70 ni na ya cancel ni na
se ba mu ba kra ni wa
no kra ti mi busa said matamaklo say enya NDC na ba power nko no adwenu musa say anka ye be jana na oh masa o man na ya chechire no ye ni say ye moa o akwan we su ne first to fight corruption President John Mahama no catch am out to was here and I'm saying Ghana fought for that main because of aura corruption and people for sika maria and nothing ye true am was mo ba mo meti true am ba na MPP for NDC ni a onu ni dibie ya chi no kwa ne say ya chi na ma court sentence mo ba pa mo opposition no wa ma mo ba ye a wa ba ye ja na kwa me fa so fight corruption mo ba yes sir how will they fight corruption? There's a corruption. Nobody want fight corruption. Who said this bad precedents? They don't want fight corruption. What do you mean fight corruption? Because it's here, and this the penny be a watch it in being says me. They could have our power play and go back here. Some people for nothing himself. Not people for somebody statement about said. Young people need attorney general investigating because himself on no power now which in the people watching the big. And this from common fact, on what year we are example check hand for. Nipano, ya jail, ya boka, ya sagram, taxpayers when now started through the number. Well, I need some 2 weeks cross 3 days. Say, when a port of appeal of a gun, 70 count in ya putting them because Jabo person just a judge, you know, any evidence via judge, a judge, I want to high court, I hear you my one, and I saw Papa Biano jelly man. Say, it's a bomb. Minya. You have to fight corruption. You can't preach any pabino music. You can't preach any pabino music. And not how we soon fighting the fight corruption. What's about social media and how will be any blockers? Among for us, I say, Castle, some judge amount to. Now, some of the other because say a civil beer, we are across the financial loss to the state close to 10 million Ghana cedis. 10 million. Nipana, I shall go down. Maybe I see me and say, Nipan will down. Ya say states money, Ghana taxpayers money, and I started in the number. Oba ye obedu Ghana no, wako prison 1 week, 2 weeks. Abba say, waba appeals court ama ye jam. Minia. And the appeals court me put some say, ye Mexica for the politician nana. Because they got appeals court no one and kemo obi akwanya nka, omo bugu court prison dey kai ketu abi o. Ene the IC dey chama untumi so ayi ombeja nana. Definitely no dey dey omo asem. Media me menya court me no land but Ghana fo nyina ehwe on how a issue ni babon ti Ghana ni bia bofu obi akata obi akwa de sia aban say aban na ma won se fari so fo so court say nya aban na e court na ye na dwuma but ye musi ahun say Sedina Tamakloe'a MPP na power and ko be Ghana wo tie di man ko nyini ti ni di ti ye masadu ni be show obi atim say obi a political party na aban wo power odi boni o fan ho di a and more minor. Achadrasi. Ti me di boni said na ma ba power me nko jela. Bible say attorney general so ababontin say ono so be kwa. Ya please say me nua. Attorney general say we na chiguo. O say omo cheche nsem no kra ntimi nto obi aso. O cheche mu say. O ye Ghana ni me Ghana ni. Yesi maami bi ya jeli ni 10 years LPP time. Wo dwane. Ye hu say de ne ba ye de ne ba. Ye ni be duru ya na aban ba power de ni be duru ya. Me tie matere ma me mo omuti domo omuti kokko mu ni omuti efuo mo sa ma me bi obeye maslok CEO 2010 2016 Ghana sika otna Ghana sika so close to 90 million Ghana pepe and ya court no omna no odwan yakose US omna na wa ama ama judge ahwehwe evidence a state ni de ko eche say wo wi sika na ampa am ya sentence for 10 years wa ama afi na ba power near the buyer wako court to be back say ya amfa nyina so papa ne jeli ni nti yenjano ama court say ye hwehwe nti yenjano me ma me beti ase onti ase say ya so am cheche wa chere ma e na ma enti atodi gen no anya na dwuma ye and this the best thing as I said Matamakloe'a be ko jim Bibia ni wa mo be dey bet ma tin Ghana Ghana. To mo bibia, amonya o ma bi say the Supreme Court won o mo ko no. Amo fa no ko na judges for ne san service ma say for them 10 years. Na appeal court dey na aba no dey Ghana ni bia ni ndi. Dey dey ni say said matter ma ko we Ghana sika. On quality 10 years simple. And when I say Ghana get
Shameful. Sedina Tamakloe'a walks free after all the nonsense. I have been so depressed today. So depressed. In fact, if it was any other day, I would have walked off, to be very honest with you. Today, I am not in the mood at all. I am angry. I am very crazy. Why am I not happy? Sedina Tamakloe'a Ationu, Christine Sharon, that's a full name, born on the 17th of December in 1965. My brother, my sister, traveled abroad, studied there, and came back to this country to serve. But as we were told later, she rather came to loot. She stole from us as the boss of Maslog. She was corrupt. And this was what the court told us. And sentenced her to 10 years imprisonment in absentia. Now they went to court. And it's all over the place. 3 sitting judges. 3 of them decided to set her free. Court of Appeal acquits and discharges former Maslog CEO Sedina Tamakloe'a. This is the woman. 3 judges. Who are the judges? My brother, my sister, go to the dossier. And the judges are in there. 3 of them, my brother, my sister, they sat on the case, and that's it. Sedina Tamakloe'a Ationu was freed by a 3-member panel of Court of Appeal judges consisting of Justice Emmanuel Ankama, Justice Emmanuel Senyo Amedaye, and Justice Samuel Obingdiewu. The appellate judges reached a unanimous decision to overturn a 10-year prison sentence, ruling that the original High Court trial judge had improperly shifted the burden of proof onto the defense and that the prosecution failed to prove its case beyond a reasonable doubt. And this is according to the BBC. So Sedina is walking free after a few days in prison, less than a month. She is now a free woman. Now I am hurt, very hurt. You know why I'm hurt? It's good that justice should always be done. But is this justice? This was a woman who told us she was going out there for treatment. When the trial was just beginning, she went out there for the treatment and refused to return, no matter how much the party begged her. We saw her at Beyonce's concert. That's her. Beyonce, the concert, flaunting whatever she had, maybe the originally stolen money. Whilst Ghanaians were looking for her, she refused to come. She rather went to get married. Fake marriage, so that she would get papers to live in America. She allegedly bought a house in Las Vegas. And it cost 415,000 American dollars. The house is 1,708 square feet, 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. It's located at 5705 Grand Entries Drive, Las Vegas. And this is it. This is the house. This was the house. She paid for mortgage. She was busily attending Beyonce's concerts, living in this luxury. My brother, my sister, right there in Las Vegas. She didn't want to return to Ghana anymore. She didn't respect the Ghanaian law system, the legal system. She even went for an American ID to help her drive a car. We have blotted out some of the information, but that's her. Driver's license, that's her. We had to pay money to extradite her to Ghana by force, only for us to free her after just about 3 weeks in prison. My brother, my sister, did the judges err? The appeals court said yes. The other judge, Justice Ifya, erred. And therefore, this woman should be free. Speaking as an average Ghanaian, politicians have the penchant of freeing their own criminals. When we are in power, we make sure that our criminals are freed. The other party is waiting to come into power so that they can jail your criminals and free their own criminals. As a Ghanaian, it hurts me. And sometimes I feel like doing something stupid. Honestly. It looks like politicians are taking Ghana for a ride. This is not the legacy Mahama wants. Mahama is trying to leave a strong legacy behind. How can we spend money to go and extradite this woman? Get the Americans to run after this woman, catch her, put her into custody, go through a trial, ship her all the way to Ghana, only for us to free after 3 weeks? Is this what it is? Do you smell anything political in this? I am so hurt, my brother, and I am sad. My brother, if this has to do with politics, then politics is truly dirty. Ghana suffers. When we come into power, no wonder these idiots who are in opposition are always saying, when the tables turn, when the tables turn, when the tables turn, we will also come and free our criminals and arrest your criminals and put there. When you come, you can also free your... It's a game of chess. Do you smell any politics? What do you think about this? Well, the Attorney General has decided to appeal. The Attorney General of the Republic of Ghana, Dr. Dominic Akrotinga Ayine, has decided that no, I don't agree with this. I would want to go to court and fight that this woman goes back into prison. You remember we have told you time and again how this Attorney General tried so much to have this woman extradited. To go through all that pain for her to be extradited, for the charade to start, sitting in a wheelchair, claiming to be sick. My brother, my sister, and only to be freed. Is that how we are fighting corruption? Now, many people would ask, what will happen to Daniel Axim? It's simple. By the laws of Ghana, he will still be there. The fact that it's the same charges doesn't exonerate him. His lawyers would have to go to court, and it will become easier that, oh, because this person has been freed, it's the same charges, therefore this one should also be free. And he might also just come out. It's a sad day for me in corruption fighting. And I think that this party in power needs to look at some of these things very seriously. I am hurt. I honestly don't know who to blame. I don't want any judge to come and arrest me because of what I will say. But I am sad. I am sad. Who is going to pay for the extradition money? Who is going to be paying all the money that allegedly got stolen? There was a stealing. Who stole the money? Well, it's good that the Attorney General is going back to court. We will support the Attorney General. This is the busiest Attorney General I've seen in the history of Ghana. He is taking his own people to court. By his own people, I mean his own party members. In fact, it's a sad day for accountability, probity, and also patriotism. She went to America, bought a house on mortgage in America, got an American driving license. She went to Beyonce's concerts, chilling. She didn't care about us in Ghana. My brother, my sister, no matter how much people asked her to come, she refused to. We had to force her to come here. Mr. President, I know you are not a judge. I also know you are not a lawyer. But I don't know why I feel like I should talk to you. With all love and respect, Mr. President, this doesn't augur well for your government. I don't know why I'm talking to you. It doesn't augur well at all for your government. And today I'm sad and you can feel it.
Ube na tere waju ne edi amame. Ewa comment section. Hi Penyah Blakk Media. Accra.